In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make.com, a no-code automation platform that allows you to connect various apps, APIs, and services to automate workflows without any need for coding. Formerly known as Integromat, Make.com empowers you to create what they call scenarios, enabling data to flow seamlessly between applications, thus saving you both time and effort. To begin, navigate over to Make.com through your web browser. Here, you'll want to either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. This part is straightforward. Just follow the prompts for sign up or simply enter your details to log in. Once you're in, you have access to a free plan which provides a certain number of tasks or operations each month. This is an ideal way to get started without any upfront costs. Next, you'll want to create your first scenario. On your Make.com dashboard, look for the option that says Create a New Scenario. Clicking on this will open up a blank canvas where you can start building your automation workflow. Don't worry, it might seem daunting at first, but we'll guide you through it step by step. The first step in creating your scenario is to add an app or module. To do this, locate the plus button on your newly created canvas. Click on it, and you'll see a search bar where you can type in the name of the app you wish to integrate, be it Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, or Notion. Once you've found your app, select the specific trigger or action you want to utilize. This could be something like receiving a new email or updating a spreadsheet. Moving forward, Make.com will prompt you to connect your chosen app to the platform. This involves signing into the app and granting Make.com the necessary permissions to interact with your data. Once you've done that, you're good to go, and your app is ready to be integrated into your workflow. Now you'll build your workflow by adding additional modules. For instance, you could set up an automation where a new email in Gmail automatically gets added to a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. You drag connectors between these modules to indicate how data should flow. To make your automation even more powerful, you can apply filters, conditions, and functions which allow for customization to suit your specific needs. Before activating your scenario, you'll want to test it to ensure everything works smoothly. Click on the Run Once button to perform a test run. Make.com will provide logs detailing the data transfer so you can confirm that everything is functioning as intended. Once you've verified that your scenario works correctly, the final step is to turn it on. Simply click the Turn On button and your automation will begin running in the background, automatically processing tasks according to your configured workflow, and there you have it. By understanding how to connect apps, test them, and set your scenarios into action, you can automate almost anything you like. From handling emails and spreadsheets to managing intricate business systems. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the endless possibilities of Make.com. Happy automating.